If you stop translating in your head, your English will become faster and more natural. In the next 4 minutes, I will guide you to start thinking directly in English. Please speak out loud when I pause. Do not just listen, participate. Many learners hesitate because they think in their native language first, try to translate the sentence, and then attempt to speak. That delay creates confusion, fear, and self doubt. Today, we are breaking that habit. We are shifting from translation to direct thinking. Section 1, Direct Response Training. I will give you simple situations. Respond immediately in English. Do not translate anything, just respond. When someone invites you for tea, you can say, "That sounds lovely, let us go." When you need directions, you can say, "Excuse me, could you please guide me?" When something is unclear, you can say, "Could you please explain that again?" When you want to disagree politely, you can say, "I understand your point, however, I have a different perspective." When you feel excited, you can say, "That sounds incredible, I would love to try." Section 2, Changing your internal voice. The biggest shift begins inside your mind. The voice you think with must be in English. Train your internal thoughts to switch languages. Replace these thoughts with clear English. First, "I don't know how to say this." Instead, think like, "How can I express this clearly?" Second, "I am confused." Instead, think like, "I am not understanding it yet, but I will." Third, "I will make mistakes." Instead, you can think like, "Mistakes prove that I am improving." Section 3, Rapid Thinking Practice. Respond instantly. You have 3 seconds for each prompt. Speak clearly. Say what comes to your mind first. You are hungry. You can respond, "I would like to eat something." If you are late, you can respond, "I need to hurry." If you do not know a specific word, you can respond, "I will explain this in simpler words." If you feel nervous, respond, "I will speak anyway." This is fluency, not perfect sentences. Section 4, Affirmations that rewire the mind. Say each line out loud. These affirmations strengthen your thinking habits. First, "My thoughts are gradually shifting to English." Second, "I speak to learn, not to impress anyone." Third, "English is becoming more natural for me every day." Fourth, "I do not translate, I communicate." Say them again without hesitation. Let your voice guide your progress. If you responded directly in English even once today, your transformation has already started. Keep training your brain to think in English and fluency will follow. In the comments, type, "I am thinking in English." Also, tell me which situation challenges you the most. I will create a video for the most requested topic.